As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two portable propane grills, the Charbroil Grill2Go X200 and the Cuisinart Grillster. Both seem decent, but I'm trying to figure out which is better.
Yeah, I've been checking them out too. The char-broil is definitely bigger, right?
Exactly. It's got a 200 square inch cooking surface, while the Cuisinart only has 146. So if you're grilling for more than a couple of people, the charbroil is probably the way to go.
Good point. But what about power?
Well, the charbroil has a 9,500 BTU burner, and the Cuisinart has an 8,000 BTU burner. So charbroil has more power, and it uses TRU-Infrared cooking, which is supposed to eliminate flare-ups and cook more evenly.
Okay, that sounds pretty good. But what about portability? I mean, they're both portable grills, but is one easier to lug around than the other?
The Cuisinart is lighter, only 13 pounds, and the charbroil is 20 pounds. Plus, the Cuisinart has a locking lid, which makes it easier to carry without making a mess.
Oh, that locking lid is a nice touch. Makes sense for camping or tailgating. What about cleaning? I hate cleaning grills.
The Cuisinart wins there, hands down. Its enameled steel grate is dishwasher safe. The charbroil has a stainless steel grate, which can be a pain to scrub.
Oh wow, dishwasher safe? That's a huge selling point for me. What about the price? Are they comparable?
The Cuisinart is cheaper. The final price is around $110, while the charbroil is around $148.
So the Cuisinart is lighter, easier to clean, and cheaper. But the charbroil has a bigger cooking surface and a more powerful burner with that TRU-Infrared thing.
Exactly. It really depends on what you prioritize. If you want something super portable and easy to clean for small cookouts, the Cuisinart is great. If you need more cooking space and more even heat, the charbroil is probably worth the extra money and weight.
Okay, this has been super helpful. I think I'm leaning towards the Cuisinart. Dishwasher safe is just too tempting.
Haha, I get it. Happy grilling. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.